Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best propane garage heaters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best propane garage heaters. Starting at number 5, we have the Heater MH35LP. For a portable radiant heater, the Heater MH35LP is quite util, especially in heating relatively larger spaces including the outdoors. It spots a BTU level of up to 35,000 units, which is quite high for a portable heater and can heat up to 875 square feet. This heater is also quite convenient given that it operates so smoothly, alleviating any issues of noise or unwanted odors as it provides you warmth. Regarding safety, this heater is equipped with a thermoelectric safety valve and a tip-over safety shut-off system, so you do not have to worry about any fire accidents. However, it will require a 20-pound propane cylinder, which unfortunately does not come with the product. Moving on at number 4. We have the Heater F271390. This portable forced air garage heater spot features that make it ideal for efficient and comfortable warmth supply. It is quite hot, featuring a BTU range of between 75,000 to 125,000 units, thus making it util for large spaces as well, including the outdoors. Take for instance a construction site. Speaking of space, the Heater MH35LP heat covers a maximum of 3,125 square feet with ease. It also spots a split barrel design that allows for ease of maintenance. This forced air liquid propane heater also comes with standard quiet burner technology, making it 50% quieter than the average quiet propane heater. It is also equipped with a 10-feet hose, a regulator, thermoelectric safety valves, and high-limit switches to enable convenience and a safe performing of its function. At number 3, we have the Heater F232000 MH 9BX garage heater. The Heater F232000 is yet another North American favorite which shares plenty of similarities with our best all-around pick. And just like its counterpart, this ventless propane garage heater is designed to offer safety and convenience. For one, it is quite portable with its size and exterior design that includes a carrying fold-down handle, making it easy to move around with. The 4,000 to 9,000 BTU heater is util in warming up small garage spaces and can comfortably cover a maximum space of 225 square feet. It also spots util safety features including an accidental tip-over and low-oxygen automatic shut-off systems. Heater F232000 is equipped with a piezo sparking mechanism for easy ignition. It also has a swivel regulator that allows you the convenience of adapting from a disposable cylinder to a remote gas supply. The unit is so compact, at only 7.7 by 13.4 by 15 inches, that you can easily place it on one of the shelves of your garage storage system. At number 2, we have the Dyna-Glo fan forced propane heater. The Dyna-Glo propane heater is here as the best forced air propane heater, and for a good reason. It sports a BTU level of 300,000, enabling it to heat a space of up 7,000 square feet. With that level of heat coverage, the Dyna-Glo fan forced propane heater can be used not only in large enclosures but also in external work areas including agricultural buildings, industrial workspaces, and construction sites, among others. It also features a 100 lb propane tank which fuels its high-intensity heating system. This propane heater also offers efficiency with its portability alongside its hose assembly and electronic ignition features that enable easy installation and a quick startup. It also offers you control as it is equipped with adjustable heat angles for convenience. The Dyna-Glo fan forced propane heater is also designed for safety as it is equipped with an automatic shutoff feature in the unlikely event of overheating. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mr. Heater F271390 Garage Heater. The Mr. Heater F271390 is designed to provide the ultimate safety and efficiency, making it the most popular propane heater in North America. The 4,000 to 18,000 BTU heater sports two 1-pound cylinders that enable it to achieve a longer runtime. It also has an integrated fan that enhances the heating capacity of this liquid propane heater, which applies a combination of radiant and convection heat styles for better and more comfortable heat distribution within the room. It also has two swivel regulators that broaden your propane supply options from the disposable cylinder to a remote gas supply. Mr. Heater F274830 is also popular due to its portability feature. It is designed to heat enclosed spaces, providing comfortable heating for up to 450 square feet. And you can regulate the heat using the easy-to-use high, mid, low heat settings. On the safety aspect, the Mr. Heater F274830 performs exceptionally well. It spots an oxygen depletion sensor and accidental tip over automatic shutoff. Nonetheless, this propane heater, aside from being efficient and safe, is also quite affordable for a heater of its standards.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.